Okay, let's learn something new today. Cyclic quadrilateral. First of all, what's a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a plane figure that has four sides. Example, square. Square is a quadrilateral. Rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, and the rest. Once it's bounded by four sides, it's called a quadrilateral. A polygon with four sides is called a quadrilateral. Now, cyclic means this quadrilateral is inside a circle, and the vertex of this quadrilateral, what do I mean by vertex? This point must be touching the circumference of the circle. What do I mean? If I have a circle and I draw this, now watch, this is a quadrilateral inside the circle, but not all the vertex is touching the circle. This is not touching the circumference of the circle. Therefore, this is not a cyclic quadrilateral. For it to be a cyclic quad, all the vertex must be touching the circumference of the circle. And let's solve what we have. Let's clean and solve. Okay, sorry for that. So let's solve. There's a theorem that says opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral sum up to 180. Opposite angles of a cyclic quad as quadrilateral sum up to 180 degrees. What does this mean? If I have an angle here, the opposite is the one facing here, not this, the opposite. Meaning, if I add these two angles, it must be equal to 180. If I add these two angles, it must be equal to 180. If I add these two, it must also be equal to 180. So let's solve this now. Using the cyclic quadrilateral formula, we have 45 degrees plus y must be equal to 180 degrees. Reason, opposite angles of a cyclic must be 180. So y now is equal to 180 degrees minus 45 degrees. So my y is equal to, if you subtract, we should have 135 degrees should be the answer to this first one. Now, if you understand that, help me solve the second example. This is example 1. Get the values of x and y and write in the comment section. X equal to something, y also equal to something. Solve and give me the answer using this formula. Thank you.